I know the transfer paper of TransOurDreams are great products. This is TransOurDream's inkjet dark transfer paper that I just received. I know it's designed for home users around the world, especially suitable for home irons. So, I'm going to use it today to give my parents a surprise. First, open the package. There are instructions. There are complete operation steps and precautions in the manual. This is the isolation paper. It can protect patterns in the process of transferring, and it can be used over and over again. This is our iron-on transfer paper. This paper can not only transfer the printed image, you can also draw with permanent pen. The white side is to be printed. We are going to create with a printer and crayons to transfer the image I want on my clothes. The watermarked side is the back side. Take out a sheet of transfer paper and put it in the inkjet printer. The ink is recommended to use pigment ink, dye ink, not sublimation ink. Do not print on the watermarked side. Print the images on the white side. Now, we start to print the images to be transferred. You can choose the high quality selection and do not forget cancel the fit picture to frame. Then, print. After printing, you should check whether the image is complete or not. If the ink is not dry, do not touch the image. Please wait 10 minutes for the images to dry completely. At this time, we take out another iron-on transfer paper to start drawing a crayon picture of what you want. You can use the printer to print a draft in advance to help your creation. Don't paint over and over when drawing with permanent pen. After the painting, you should confirm that the printed image is completely dry. Then, you can cut it. Use scissors to cut off the extra white part of the paper. Leave a small white corner for easy peeling. Then, peel away from the white corner. Retain the pattern size and discard the back of the paper. Then, use scissors to cut off the extra white corners. We lay our clothes on the solid surface. Do not use a home ironing board. Shift the button on the iron to cotton and linen, and pay attention to turn off the steam. Then, we can iron the clothes. The image we will transfer should face up. Then, put it in the right place for clothes and cover with isolation paper. We press the iron hard on heating the images. Iron it from the inside out. We press and iron each part with 10 to 20 pounds of force, and hold each part for at least 40 seconds. After partial ironing, use the iron to press the whole paper for 1 to 2 minutes. If the strength is not enough, it may cause pattern off after washing or wearing. In the process of ironing, you should use the back half of the iron to press the iron. Ensure each part for at least 40 seconds, and the whole image is not less than 4 minutes. It can prevent the images peeling off. After transfer, please wait for 8 hours to wet in water. Washing machine is recommended to wash clothes with the pattern facing inward. Do not soak for more than an hour while washing. Do not scrub the pattern vigorously if you wash it by hand. Wring out after washing to prevent the dyeing. No bleach, no tumble dry, no dry clean. Now, you can see our TransOurDream iron dark transfer paper transfer after successful. Bright color, soft, breathable, easy to peel, and easy to transfer. You can also use it with permanent marker. Mom, Dad, come on!
Wow, that's great!
Yeah, that's a great idea.
What are you waiting for? Come up with your idea. That's all for today. See you next time. #TransOurDream. #NeverGiveUp.